In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a featured collection on Shopify. So once you're logged in into your Shopify admin, make sure to go to this left panel and click on Products. A new menu will open. Make sure to click on Collections. Here, you'll find yourself in this page. You can go and click on Create Collection or Add Collection at the top right corner. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here, where you will be able to start create a collection if you don't have one. If you already have one and you want just to edit that one, you'll be able to do it. So I do have here some collections. Let's just go as an example and set up this. So normally once you try to create a collection, you'll have just to give it a name, description if you want to. And here you will have to choose a condition if you have it automated. Let me just go and start a new collection so you understand. So for this collection, I'm just going to do something like, okay, this is the collection of products and they're like $100. I will not add any subscription. And for collection type, you can choose either manual or smart. What's the difference? The difference is manual, you'll have to add products one by one. So once you create the collection, you'll have to go to products and add them to this collection. But if you choose smart, any like products that meet some conditions that you will set, they will be added automatically to this collection. So in connect or in conditions, you have two options. You have either all conditions or any condition. So you can set an example, two conditions, and if it's like meets one of them, it will be added to this collection. If you choose all conditions, if it needs to like meet the requirements of these two conditions, then it will be added to this collection. This is good and better for you, especially if you have multiple products, so you don't have to add manually or to add them manually one by one. Let's say an example. I'm just going to do like all condition. I'm just going to do one condition. Since we name it under $100, I'm just going here to choose like it's gotta be the price and it should be less than, and I'm just going to choose 1,000, which is the mean of $100 in my currency. You can, as I said, add other conditions, and yeah, if you don't want to, it's up to you. Here, at the right option, you'll be able to add an image to your collection if you want to. As an example, let me just go and try and add an image. Maybe this one. Sure, let me just wait for it. It's uploaded. And now this image as an example will represent this collection. So once you're done, you can just go and hit the save button. And you can go back as example in the save first. As you can see, it's at the top. And you can just go back to your collection once everything is saved. As you can see, here is the new collection. It's set up. Now as an example, if we go to our online store and then we go and click on edit theme. Normally in my theme, I already have the featured like collection here, as you can see. But if you want to add it to another page, or maybe as an example, you want to add it somewhere else, you can go and add section and you can basically look for featured like collection. Choose however you want it. You want to be grid, carousel, whatever you want. So as an example, carousel is good. And here you'll be able to connect it to a collection. So as you can see at the top right, I'm just going to click on select and I'm going to connect it to the under 100 collection that I just created. Of course, you can change the title however you want. You can go back to the collection and change it to featured collection if you want to, and you should be good to go. Click on save, and there you go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.